Okay, so since alam na natin mag-evaluate ng operations on our rational expressions, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, lahat yan i-apply natin when it comes to rational equation and inequality. So, solving rational equations is easy when it comes to adding and subtracting. However, right now, our focus is finding the value of our variables, especially in rational equation. So, first part of our study today will be the rational equation, and the latter part will be solving about inequalities. So, let's try to solve equalities. So, let's try to solve equation. For example, easy example, 3 over 4 is equal to x over 4. So, we will try to find the value of x. Kung titingnan pa rin natin dito, without really solving, alam natin na dapat 3 yung lalabas dito. Kasi 3, 4, or 3 over 4 is equal to 3 over 4. Pero paano natin gagawa ng solution yon? So, first part, ang ginagawa natin dito ay cross multiplication. Okay? So, cross multiplication. So, 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to x multiplied by 4. And then, 12 is equal to 4x. And then, 12 over 4 is equal to x. Saan galing yung over 4 dito? Galing dito. Tapos, simplify, 3 is equal to x. So, yun yung basic na example natin. So, what if hindi naman parehas yung ating equation? If it is, sabihin na natin 7. So, ganun lang din. Ang gagawin natin, 4 multiplied by x 3 multiplied by 7. So, madalas ang ginagawa ko, 4 multiplied by x equal to 3 multiplied by 7. So, cross multiplication lang. Then, x is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 divided by, ano yung katabi ng 4? It is, katabi ng x, it is 4. To simplify, x is equal to 21 over 4 or 5.25. So, sir, paano natin isa-substitute yung 21 over 4? So, 21 over 4 is the value of x. So, checking if tama yung ating value for x. So, 3 over 4 is equal to, sabi niya, the value of x is 21 over 4. And 21 over 4 is our numerator kasi siya yung value ng x. So, over 7. Ayan. So, 3 over 4. Remember our lesson on division of polynomials, of rational expressions. 21 over 4. Tapos, divided by, ano ba tayong equation dito? Divided by, ay, ganun siya talaga. So, from division, magiging siyang multiplication. And then, it is automatically, kapag whole number siya, it is 7 over 1. So, get the reciprocal, it will become 1 over 7. And then, get the factors of 21, which is 3 multiplied by 7. Then, rewrite natin. Control C. So, it is being multiplied by 1. Yung denominator natin, multiplied by 7. So, cancel 7. Ang matitira na lang ay 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 and 4. So, 3 over 4 is equal to 3 over 4. So, correct yung ating answer that the value of x is 21 over 4. Okay, so madaling example pa lang yon. Tingnan natin kung medyo mahirap. What if hindi siya tigi-tigisa? What if it is already a binomial? X minus 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 5. So, maraming solutions dito. Pero ako, ang ginagawa ko, if we are dealing with equations or equalities such as this, kino-cross multiply ko lang siya. Cross multiplication, numerator ng left side multiply by the denominator on the right side. So, it is 5 multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to yung 3 multiplied by 2. Yan. Then, simplify 5 x minus 1 and then is equal to 6. Since ang 5 minumultiply mo dito, to cancel both, i-divide mo both sides by 5. So, ang ginagawa ko na agad denominator ng 6 or nung nasa right side, yung 5 dito. So, magiging siyang x minus 1 is equal to 6 over 5. So, ano yung long version niyan? Ganito. Ito, dinidivide natin by 5. And then, ito rin, dinidivide natin by 5. So, kapag ganyan, makakancel lang yung 5 sa left side. Kaya, ang matitira, x minus 1, tapos 6 over 5. Ganun lang siya. So, simplify natin yan. X is equal to, since ang negative 1 is constant, and yung 6 over 5 natin is also a constant, 6 over 5 from subtraction or from negative, magiging siyang positive. So, plus 1. So, ano naman ang rationale nito? Subtract both sides by yung absolute niya. So, if x minus 1, so, if nagma-minus 1 ka, mag-add ka ng 1 para maging 0. Tapos, kung nag-add 1 ka doon, add 1 ka rin dito para balance pa rin yung equation natin. So, ito magiging 0 lang. Tapos, nandito yung plus 1. Ganun lang din yung nangyari dito. Tinranspose ko lang itong negative 1 papunta dito. So, solving again, addition of rational expression. Diba? This will become over 5. So, our 6 plus 1. What is our LCD? 5. Next. 5 divided by 6, 5 divided by 5 is 1 times 6. So, 6 pa rin siya. Multiply by 1. And then 1. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Kasi 1 whole number. So, automatically, ang fraction form niyan is over 1. So, ito ay multiply by 5. Multiply by 5. So, let's group. So, our answer would be 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 over 5. Yan. So, let's substitute dito sa ating original na equation. If tama yung sagot natin. So, 11 over 5. So, from 11 over 5, ito ay magiging 5 over 5. Kagaya nito. 5 over 5. And then, 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Since similar fraction, same lang yung na 5. So, 6 over 5. And then, applying this, to get the reciprocal, yung 3, since whole number yan, automatically it is 3 over 1. So, from division, gagawin natin multiplication. So, multiplying, ano yung denominator natin kanina? It is 3. So, 3 over 1. The reciprocal of 3 over 1 is 1 over 3. And then, apply our rules on rational expressions. Kunin na natin yung factors ng 6. It is 2 and 3. Cancel both 3 kasi nasa numerator and denominator. So, anong matitira? 2 over 5 multiplied by 1, which is 2 over 5. So, the value of our x is 11 over 5 or 2.2. So, ganyan. Kapag ganun lang siya, kasimple. What if it is already a complicated one? Medyo complicated. We have numerous terms. Okay. For x plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 12 over x squared minus 1 plus 3. Okay. Pag ganito na nakita ninyo, i-apply lang ulit natin yung ating rules on solving rational expression. Ayan. So, how can we solve for this one? I-express lang natin sila at their LCD. So, kunin muna natin yung factors nung malaking denominator, which is x squared minus 1. It is x minus 1, then x plus 1. Okay. So, as you can see, ito, x plus 1 yung denominator. Yung 3, since whole number, automatic, our denominator is 1. Okay. Since nakita na natin yung buong rational form nila, we will get the LCD. And our LCD is x minus 1, x plus 1. So, it should be x plus 1, x minus 1. So x minus 1. And ito dapat ganun din. X minus 1, then x plus 1. So, hindi pa natatapos dyan. Ang gagawin natin, after getting those LCD, titignan natin kung alin pa ang kulang doon sa ating mga numerator. with respect to our denominator. Okay. So dito, ang denominator niya is x plus 1. Samantalang dito, x minus 1, x plus 1. So ano pa ang kulang? Yung x minus 1. Next, ito, as is. Ito, wala kang makikitang x minus 1, x plus 1. So, yung multiply mo buong buo. Ito, with this one. Okay? Next. Dahil ganyan na yung equation natin, ano susunod na gagawin? It is 4x plus 1. Ito. Control C, Control V. And then, pagsamahin na lang natin ito. Magiging siyang plus 3 multiplied by x1. Okay. Ganyan siya. So, next, anong gagawin? Since ito yung numerator natin, yan yung kukunin natin. 4x plus 1 tapos x minus 1, okay, is equal to, ano yung nandito? 12. Tapos, ano yung ina-add natin? 3. And then, ano pa? Multiply by x minus 1 and x plus 1. Okay? So, ito, i-multiply muna natin siya sa 3. Okay. Ganyan na lang muna yung titignan natin. Since pares naman yung denominator nila, ito yung titignan natin. I-simplify natin ito. So, simplify natin. 4x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. It is 4x squared minus 4x plus x minus 1 is equal to 12 plus yung 3 multiply by, so yung x minus 1, x plus 1 is x squared minus 1. So, yun siya. Next. So, further simplify. 4x squared minus 4x plus x. Simplify this. 4x plus x is equal to negative 3x minus 1 is equal to 12 plus. So, distribute natin yung 3 sa x squared and 1. It will become 3 x squared, then it is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay. Since na-solve na natin, let's combine like terms. So, 4x squared, transpose natin itong 3x squared. Bakit? Kasi ang variable ay x and ang exponent ay 2. So, pwede nating i-combine sa 4x squared. Since plus 3x squared, dito, ito ay magiging minus 3x squared. Next. Anong makukuha natin? Itong minus 3x. Next, meron tayong minus 1. Then, meron kang minus 3 dito. So, transpose plus 3 is equal to 0. So, nilipat natin lahat sila. Yung 12, ayan, meron pa palang 12. So, transpose din natin yung 12. Positive siya. So, magiging negative 12. Okay? Ayan na siya. Simplify. 4x squared minus 3x squared. Meron kang positive x squared. Next. Wala ka nang pwedeng i-simplify doon sa 3x o i-combine sa 3x. So, minus 3x as is. Then, negative 1, positive 3, negative 12. So, i-add natin lahat. Negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2. Positive 2 minus 12 is equal to negative 10. Negative 10 is equal to 0. Next, to find the value of x, let us try factoring. So, x minus 5 multiply by x plus 2 is equal to 0. Why? So, negative 5 multiplied by positive 2 is negative 10. Negative 5 plus positive 2 is negative 3. So, our x1, the first value of our equation is positive 5. Bakit? Kasi x minus 5 is equal to 0, transpose x is equal to positive 5. Ito naman, yung another value ng ating x2 is equal to x plus 2 is equal to 0. So, magiging siyang x is equal to negative 2. So, yan yung value ng ating x. So, let us try to substitute. Substitute natin if it is correct. So, checking tayo. Substitute muna natin yung 5. So, 5 multiplied by 4. Then, 5 multiplied by 4. Then, yung x natin, magiging 5. X is 5 squared. Okay. Next, magiging siyang 4 times 5 is 20. Then, 20 plus 1 is 21. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 5 squared is 25. Minus 1, it is 24. 24, 12 over 24. Sige, yung mga walang internet, ayan, okay lang, naka-record naman, sige. So, simplify natin or lowest term natin yung 12 over 24, magiging 1/2. Tama? Tama ba? So, 12 over 24 is yan. Next, since hindi pa fraction ng 3, gagawin natin siyang over 1. So, paano siya magiging, ang denominator ay 2, magiging siyang 3 times 2 or 6 over 2. Okay, so similar fraction na. 6 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 over 2. Sir, hindi man parehas sa 21 over 6. Kalma lang. I-divide natin both sides by anong lowest term ng 21 over 6 divided by 3. So, 21 divided by 3 is
7 over 2.
Okay. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 7 over 2 is equal to 7 over 2. Next. Sir, paano naman kung yung negative 2? Sige, negative 2 yung gagamitin natin. Parehas din ba yung lalabas? So, evaluate. Multiply by negative 2. Yung x mo, negative 2. X, negative 2. Okay. Since naka-substitute na sila, 4 multiplied by negative 2 is negative 8. So, negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Next, dito tayo. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Negative 7 divided by negative 1, like sign. So, pareha sila always. Always positive. So, 7 divided by 1 is 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Same. Correct answer. So, the two values of x is 5 and negative 2. So, pag tinatanong, what is the value of x in this rational equation? So, ito ang solution. And your answer will be x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to negative 2. So, kapag na-factor nyo na sila, kung minus 5 yan, magiging lang siyang positive 5. Kung plus 2, magiging negative 2 lang. Okay. No questions? Since no questions, mag-take tayo ng tinatawag na work problems. So, what if we have work problems? So, ang work problem, isa sa mga word problems na ginagamitan ng rational equation. For example, Joy can clean the lawn in 3 hours, but it takes Angel 4 hours to do the same job. How long will it take to clean the lawn if they work together? So, si Joy, 3 hours. Si Angel, 4 hours. So, if Joy can work 3 hours, tapos si Angel, 4 hours. So, kapag sila ay nagtrabaho na magkasama, ilang oras lang nila lilinisin yung trabaho na yon. So, ganito lang siya. Isa lang yung trabaho. So, pero 3 hours. Isa lang yung trabaho and 4 hours naman si Angel. Dapat, isang trabaho pero ilang oras. Again, isang trabaho pero 3 oras kay Joy. Si Angel, isang trabaho pero 4 na oras. So, sa loob ng yung isang trabaho na yon, gaano lang nila katagal? Gaano lang nila katagal or kabilis na matatrabaho? So, ganyan yung equation natin. So, our LCD is, since wala namang factors to mga to, maliban sa the number of variable itself and 1, kukunin natin lahat yan. So, 3 multiply by 4 multiply by x. Okay. Ano ba to? Tapos, meron kang 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Lahat yan divided by ito. Okay? Question? Nalabuan? Sige, tanong. Wala. Okay. So, hindi kasi convention. So, ayan. Equal to 1 over. Yan. Okay? Ayan. So, next. Ano ang gagawin natin? Yung 1 muna dito, which is ito. Saan natin i-multiply? Since meron na siyang 3 sa denominator, ano na lang wala? Yung 4 and x. So, 4 multiply by x. Next. Yung another one natin dito, wala siya naman nung 3 and x. So 3 multiply by x. Next, dito, wala yung 3 and 4. So, multiply by 3 and 4. Okay. Since pare-paras na sila ng denominator na ganyan, kukunin na natin yung numerator. So, numerator natin ito is equal to, so, sige, kunin na rin natin as it is. Next. So, 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by x is 4x. 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x, so plus 3x equal to 3 multiplied by 4 equal to,
Sir, Chapis.
yan, sige, okay lang. Yan. Yan. Yan, okay na. Yan.
Yan po.
Okay. Yeah. So 4x plus 3x is equal to 1 times 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. Next. 4x plus 3x is equal to 7x is equal to 12. And then x is equal to, so since katabi siya ng x, ilalagay natin sa ilalim ng 12. So 12 over 7, or it is equal to 1.714285. So 1.7. Tinatanggap na natin yung 1.7. Or equal to, yan, x equal to 1.7. So gano'n nila katagal tatrabawin yung isang work na yon. Aabutin lang daw sila ng 1.7 hours to finish a job. Okay? Tanong.
Sir, yung denominator po.
Ano? Saan? Sa? Ito?
Opo, sir.
Oh. Bakit yan? Kasi yung factors ng 3 ay 3 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 1, and x multiplied by 1. So, wala ka na pwedeng i-multiply na any common monomial factor or common na number sa kanila maliban sa 1. Kaya silang lahat na yung ating LCD. Gets? Ganito yan. Kapag, ano ba? For example, 1/3. 1/3 plus 1/4 plus 1/5. Okay. Since dito, hindi mo naman ma-add lahat yan at wala namang factor dito. Ay, maliban dito sa 4. Ayan. So, gawin muna natin na hindi siya factorable. 7. Okay. Since hindi siya factorable, ano mangyayari? O sige, kahit yung kanina. Kasi ang 4 times 4, ang 4 ay 2 times 2. Kaso ang tanong, wala namang 2 dito, di ba? So, as if 4 pa rin yung ginagamit natin dito. So, 4. For the sake of discussion, since ang LCD natin ay as is, the number multiplied by 1, maliban sa 4, pero wala ka makikita dito na divisible by 2. So, 3, 4, and 5 yung LCD natin. Paano? Diba? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Eh di, wala na, yung 3 and 5, 15. Yung 3 and 4, 12. Yung 4 and 5, 20. So, saan sila makikita-kita? Pag pinag-multiply mo na lang silang lahat. Kaya magiging siyang 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by yung 3 multiply by 4 multiply by 5. Tapos, para makuha mo yung exact na number nila, i-multiply mo lang ito doon sa number na wala dito sa denominator niya, which is yung 4 and 5. So, 4 multiplied by 5, and so on and so forth. Okay? Clear? Okay na doon? Kung bakit ganon?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, sir, sa lahat ba ng situation ganyan? Hindi naman kailangan ganon. What if ito ay 6? Ito ay 9? Ayan. So, kung i-multiply mo lahat-lahat yan, pwede rin naman. Pero kung masisipagan ka, 2 multiply by 3. Yung 9, 3 multiply by 3. Tama ba? Okay. So, dito walang 2. Dito walang 2. So, lahat pa rin sila. Gagamitin natin. So, 2 times 3 times 3. Bakit? Kasi may 2 dito. Tapos dito walang 2. So, 3 times 3. Dito may 3. Wala siyang 3 times 2. So, ilalagay mo lang yung 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Okay. Di pa rin tayo mapakali. Okay. So, bakit 2 times 3 times 3? Kasi 2 times 3 times 3 is equal to 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 6, 12, 18. 9, 18. So, lahat sila nagkita agad dun sa 18 as their multiple. So, least common multiple nila is 18. Kung ayaw mo sa least common multiple na 18, multiply mo lang yung mga yan. So, 3 times 6 is equal to 18 multiply by 9 is equal to 72. Carry 7, 9 plus 7, 16, 162. So, pwede rin 162 yung denominator mo sa kanila. So, sa fraction yon. So, any question about that? Maliban dun sa tinanong kanina, wala na? Wala tayong tanong? Wala? Malinaw sa atin yung yung rational equation, kung paano hinahanap yung value ng x when it comes to rational equation. Okay na? Okay yon? So, kung wala nang tanong, yung next na lesson natin will be rational inequality. Yan. So, yan, rational inequality na yung susunod natin na lesson. So, kung walang tanong dito, sige, dismiss muna tayo. And, magsasend ako ng isang recorded na discussion about rational inequality. Ina-apply lang din natin yung rational equation, but we are finding a solution set. So, walang tanong, class dismiss.
Sir, kasama lahat sa exam.
Yes.
Sir, hanggang ilan yung exam, sir?
Siguro
Hanggang ilan yung...
50 siguro. 50 items.
Ganyan, sir?
Lahat.
Eh,